Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel, and we are outside because it's summer and we thought let's come outside and check out all the awesome things, speaking of outside,
yes,
that happen outside.
Yes.
So go ahead.
Yeah, we're in summer, so all our outdoor music weekly concerts are happening. So Tuesdays in the Park is going strong. This week, Tuesday, June 17th, we have Eric Wrighton. And then next week, we have the Beachfront Big Band on the 24th. And that is formerly Doc and the Scrubs.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And so you have 7 o'clock, City Park. Come early for picnic in the park. Come and go as you please. Very easy peasy.
Good.
And then most Thursday nights in the summer, we have Trucks and Tunes in the City Park Band Shell. We have food trucks. There's a beer garden. Again, come as you are. The music goes from 5 to 8. And this week, Thursday, June 19th, we have the Dan Brecky Band.
Ooh, okay, good.
And then next week, June 26th, we have the Crop Dusters,
fun.
who we all know around
Yes,
here. So those will be fun. Again, come and go as you please, very casual. Some other things we have going on in the theater are summer musical is in full rehearsal. It is so much fun to watch these kids. I sneak onto the stage and listen to them, and they are having so much fun. They are performing Monty Python's Spamalot.
It's so good.
It's so fun.
Good. It's so good.
And so the performances for that will be June 26th, 27th, and 28th. Come and support these kids. It's going to be, they're working so hard. Yeah. It's going to be great.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So.
And then speaking of kids theater, we still have our Missoula Children's Theater weeks that there's still space on. If you have kids who want to join those are week-long in July and in August. So get online and sign up for those. And then we have art classes coming up. We have a Feng Shui class coming up. We have, I know we've seen all this Charlie Harper stuff around town.
Yes.
We have some Charlie Harper art classes. There's 4 of those left where you come make whimsical Charlie Harper animals. So check those out. And speaking of Charlie Harper, we have a puzzle contest.
Fun.
And that will be at the end of July, but get signed up for it before the spaces are gone. It's going to be at Bucks Mill. Teams of up to 6 people, and you'll put together a speed competition with Charlie Harper puzzles.
Yay!
Yeah, so
fun.
Get a team together and come do that.
Awesome. Very cool. Lots of great things. With the outdoor theme continuing from the start, we have a reminder our summer rec is open. If you are seeing this for the first time and you're not sure what summer rec is, the rec is the building, the stone structure that's down on the outfield of Washington Ballpark next to the tennis courts, between the tennis courts and those awesome new park with the new boulders that are down there from Project 412. So that is the rec building. It is staffed from 9 until noon, Monday through Friday, and then again from 1 until 4. So our staff can take a little bit of a lunch break. And they do all kinds of games and activities. I got to be down there the other day helping out, and the kids kind of come and you can check out equipment. You can do a craft, you can do kickball, you can do t-ball, you can do whatever you want down there. So there's lots of activities. Tuesdays and Thursdays in the morning tend to be like a t-ball for kind of preschoolish age kids out in the grass. And then also like up at the rec building, about 10:30 they do a craft of some kind. So check those things out. So we have lots of fun with that. Again, that's free. Even on rain days, we actually have had a couple rain days and rainy mornings, and they just will open up because that gorgeous little overhang there, they can still play ping pong and things and all kinds of activities. So check those things out. Also some cool things that are happening. Emma has some just to be watching for. We are doing some collaborations with the art and the fitness side. We've done, like, there was a painting out at the Executive Golf Course, so we're getting that fitness and stuff out there. There was some things up in the wellness studio with some drawing, doing some yoga, so or in the ballroom. So just watch for more things like that where we're combining fitness activities or kind of strength and stretching and things along with some art classes. So Emma's got those going with Sally. So those are awesome. We also have coming up, if you're watching this at the start of the week, we have a lifeguard training class still coming up. We have opportunities to sign up for swim lessons yet happening. There's some tennis lessons coming up on the schedule yet that are still open. And then also we have open swims and the backyard. So if you're thinking about, oh gosh, we have a bunch of family coming to town and it might be rainy out and we can't do stuff outside in the lake, come on in. We have day passes for you and we have you covered inside as well. So for all that that information and more, you can check out our website at dlccc.org. Click on the Holmes Theater for all the awesome things happening in the theater and the Holmes Art Cellar, and click on the center side for all the great things happening on the fitness and aquatics area. So thanks so much for joining us on Backstage Pass. We'll see you again next week.